Hello everyone. Today we have a quick video. This is actually for a 2017 Mercedes C300. This one is 4MATIC. I don't think it matters. But anyways, it's gonna be about the cigarette lighter plug that today I tried to charge my phone, but it didn't work. So I found out that the fuse was blowing. So if you have the same problem, I'm going to show you what to do. So if your cigarette lighter is not working, you come to the trunk. There's actually there's two cigarette plugs for the lighter. There's one in the back, sorry for the mess, one in the front. But anyways, this is where you're gonna find your fuse. In the back, you pull this up, and the fuse for the front cigarette lighter is this one right here, number 15, and the one beside it is for the back. This is for the back cigarette lighter. So if that doesn't work, your cigarette lighter doesn't work, you just come over here and get you this is a big fuse of 15 amp. Replace it as you took it out and put it back on. So, but if you want to take it off, there's a tab right here. You have to push on that and pull the fuse out. That's how you get it out. And you put the new one on, and that's about it. And your cigarette lighter will work. Just like mine. And voila, mine is working. As you can see, there's that blue light right there. So it's working. And this is the most common issue with the cigarette lighter plug. So, alright guys, if this is helpful, please give me that thumbs up, and you can subscribe for more videos in future. All right, you have a good day.